In this guide, I'll be showing you how to reveal more display languages on the LG V20. This guide is relevant to any Android device that comes with hidden languages. Open up your browser and download MoreLocal from the link below. We'll give this app permissions it needs to run later on. Save the folder to your desktop. Go to google.com and type in LG Bridge, then download and install the software. This will install necessary USB drivers on your PC, so we can access the ADB interface, and give MoreLocal the permissions it needs to run. Now, we need to enable USB Debugging. Go to Settings, General, About Phone, Common, Software Info, and tap 5 times on Build Number. If you already enabled this in the past, skip this step. Go back to General menu, and open Developer Options. Scroll down and enable USB Debugging and click OK. Connect your phone to your PC, tap on the pop-up menu says, Charging, and change it to File Transfer. Then go to Device Manager and make sure ADB is there. Now, unzip the MoreLocal folder, and click on Run Me. Tap OK on your phone. And MoreLocal is now installed with permissions. Go to MoreLocal on your phone, and choose your desired language. All hidden languages are now visible with MoreLocal. You can see I changed my phone to Hebrew, which wasn't there before. But this can be used to any other languages. Please notice, only hidden languages can be revealed. If the language you want isn't installed on your phone, this won't help.